Go ahead and pull that trigger. Squeeze the trigger. Alright. Here we go, a zombie shot. There you go.